This is Kurt with AutoYIVE. I'm going to show you exactly where to get the AutoYIVE Chrome extension, how to install it, and how to license it in this video. So the first thing that you can do is you can actually just go to Google and search for Chrome Web Store. The minute you click on that, the very first entry is going to take you over to the Chrome Web Store just like this. And then once you're here, what we're going to look for is AutoYIVE. And AutoYIVE for YiveSites is exactly what we want. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to click Add to Chrome. And then click Add Extension. Now the extension has been added. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner next to your browser bar. You're going to see AutoYIVE and this pin. We're going to click on that pin. That way it's pinned to your taskbar and it's quick and easy for you to access. Once we've done that, the next thing that we need to do is go over to YiveSites and log in. You're going to notice that the icon turned from gray to red. If we click on it right now, it's going to ask us for our license key. After you've purchased through Gumroad, you're going to come over to your email client, whether it be Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, etc. What you're going to do is you're just going to look for AutoYIVE, subscribed. And right here, you've subscribed to AutoYIVE. We're going to select it. It's going to come up and it's going to have our license key. We're going to copy that, come back over to the YiveSites tab, click on the icon, and then we're going to paste in the license key and click Activate. That is it. Now we can go ahead and log into YiveSites and start utilizing the software. Thank you very much.